If AirPlay is not working from your iPhone or iPad to your TCL Roku TV, the TV name is either not showing up or it's just loading, screen mirroring fails with unable to connect error, I'll show all the fixes that will get your screencasting working once again. So we're going to start with your TV. So first, from the leftover sides panel, go to Settings, scroll down to Apple, AirPlay, and HomeKit. Enter the settings. If you're accessing this setting for the first time, this will load for a bit and then will open. Now, if you have already set it up, make sure AirPlay option is turned on. If it's already enabled, turn it off and then back on again just to restart this option. Now, while you're in this section, apart from this, you can also try the Reset AirPlay and HomeKit option and just go ahead and unpair devices, just in case if it worked before but not working now. Now, on your iPhone or iPad, we're going to first check if it's updated to the latest software. And after that, from Settings once again, now we're going to go to General, then go to AirPlay and Continuity. In Automatically AirPlay option, just make sure it's not set to Never. And if you want, you can set it to Ask Always. And next, the cardinal rule. Confirm that both your TV and iPhone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, because AirPlay will never work if they're on different networks, even if everything is just fine. Along with that, if you want, you can also restart your router if possible, just to rule out if it's not a network problem. Some users have also reported that resetting the router helped resolve AirPlay connection issues. If none of this helped you, now we're going to perform a cold reboot on the TV by unplugging it for power for about 30 to 60 seconds, and then just plug it back in. And meanwhile, just go ahead, restart your Apple devices. Now, once both the devices are back online, now try using AirPlay. Especially if you're connected for the first time, you might prompt it with a connection code on a TV. Just put down that exact code on an Apple device, and in a moment, screen mirroring will start. And one of these steps is enough to get the connection working properly, and hopefully now you're able to screen mirror between your iPhone or iPad to your TCL Roku TV. Thanks for your time.